My name is Dr. Eric Plasker, and I'm from Marietta, Georgia, in the United States of America. And my miracle is, I remember years ago, I think the year was 1994, and I was in my chiropractic practice taking care of my patients like I did every single afternoon. And wouldn't you know it, one day we hear a screech in the parking lot. We hear literally like a bang, 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 and all of a sudden a screech. And an old lady lost control of her car, and she hit 3 cars in the parking lot, got turned towards our office, and accidentally stepped on the gas instead of the brake and drove through the center of my office at 40 miles per hour. Well, obviously we freaked out. The damage was everywhere, but the damage was more than just the debris of the office. She literally hit several patients who, thank God, nobody was killed. That's not the miracle. Thank God. Well, that is one of the miracles, that nobody was killed. But what continued after that was interesting. I went into a poor, poor, pitiful me. Why did this happen to me? I mean, here I am serving patients, had a great practice, as most of you know listening, tremendous healing with chiropractic care, serving my community. God, why did you do this to me? Why did you have to make me suffer like this? Why am I dealing with the lawsuits now and all the things that were happening as a result of this tragedy? Well, wouldn't you know it, for the last 2 years I have been thinking about moving into a new space right around the corner from my house. I had a few young children. I wasn't seeing them near as much as I really wanted to see them because I was driving 30 minutes to work every day and home from work every day. Well, we got everything sorted out at the office, and I said, you know what? Maybe this is a message. Maybe there's a miracle here. And so I opened myself up. I got out of my victim state of mind and the whole poor, poor, pitiful me. And I just decided to drive into a shopping center, which was 1.8 miles from my house, that I really, really wanted to practice in, but there hadn't been a space available for the last 5 years for the size that I wanted. Wouldn't you know it? 1 week later, I drove into that office. I drove into that Office Park shopping center, and the exact space with the exact size that I wanted opened up within 7 days because I opened up to a miracle. And so the moral of that story for me was, in expecting a miracle, which I think we all should expect miracles every day, is if you don't expect them now, it may be a car that comes driving through your office or your house or your space to wake you up to the fact that there's a miracle waiting for you right around the corner.